But 24/7 service or cab service
Home Ministry
Manipur
formally invites state government Manpack and all political parties to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on issues prevailing in the state. Nine-member Manpack team gears up to meet Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on Citizenship Amendment Bill in New Delhi tomorrow. Organizations working for welfare of persons living with HIV/AIDS in Manipur say frequent shortage of antiretroviral therapy ART medicines escalates HIV infection. And 10th Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 concludes successfully with gala closing ceremony at Bhagachandra Open Air Theatre, Hapta, Kangtebo. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangwa Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren today stated that the Ministry of Home Affairs has given formal invitation to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on various issues facing the state. He was speaking at the launch of Mantru Vandana Sapta under Pradhan Mantri Mantru Vandana Yojana PMMVY organized by Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur at Chief Minister's Secretariat Hall in Babupara. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren disclosed that the state government officials along with representatives of Manpack and all political party will meet with Home Minister Amit Shah at 10:30 p.m. tomorrow. He said that the meeting will focus on major issues including Citizenship Amendment Bill and Naga peace talks related issues. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren added that official invitation has been already given to the representatives of all political party and Manpack.
Aying in Nungang Taramakaida, Toroponaduna, Masdekoi, government side officially invitation, Loina Hyder, she's the Hazard, Aduna, invitation from Bibusin in the larger interest of the state, Toman Manina Kara, inconvenient Levi, Aduba other Laina Konabakadona Bakayamba, and Store, Aduna, safe from Virabusina, invitation from Virabusina, Satlaga, Ikoi grievances, Mayam the Punna, I mean Narunaba, Hungo Minarubina, Apple Tokjani, I Samoxu of Jagani.
Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren stressed the need to raise awareness on Pradhan Mantri Mantru Vandana Yojana amongst women's section in the state. He added that the scheme aims to keep mothers and children healthy to build a strong society. Birren urged DCs and officials concerned to ensure that benefits of the scheme to every single beneficiaries. He further urged them to reach out the scheme, especially in rural and far-flung areas. Taking part in the event, Social Welfare Minister Nimcha Kipgen said that the scheme aims to ensure improved health, good nutrition and feeding practices for the first live birth. She urged all pregnant and lactating mothers to avail the benefits of the scheme.
This program was launched in the year 2017. Till now, it has covered around 1.2 crore beneficiaries in all over India. But why today it is launching again as a week-long program? Because people are not widely aware and widely not getting the benefit, which is going to be given for them only. That is the reason why this 1 week long, from today on or to the 8th December, we are going to organize it in every part of the state.
Pradhan Mantri Mantru Vandana Yojana scheme se ningthina implement tona bahot nagada department gi officer khaklatana ihoi hwai miyam gi achoba thodang le India da masi gi pregnant women amadi lactating mothers singna machi leba chinja chaba phangdabagi thengnari ba awa singado masi PMMVY kimasina khaladang oirabasu kokhanbangamani.
Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District and Bandana also launched Pradhan Mantri Mantru Vandana Yojana PMMVY in the district today. District Administration Thoubal along with District Project Officer ICDS Thoubal organized the event at the district election counting hall. Many Anganwadi and Asha workers District Administration Kakching under the Ministry of Women and Child Development also launched Pradhan Mantri Mantru Vadana Yojana PMMVY at the conference hall of DC Kakching district today. An awareness program on Mantru Vandana Wake for Asha and Anganwadi workers was also launched on the occasion. SDO, BDO of Kakching, Moirang Them Kapajit, Thobal DPO, ICDS, T. Anita, Kakching CMO Dr. T.H. Samarendro and CDPO S. Milan Kumar attended the event. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has assured to renovate the historical Wangkai Thangabat with modern facilities. He was speaking at Hiang Tanaba or boat race event held as part of the 10th Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 at Wangkai Thangabat organized by the Tourism Department today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren assured to renovate Thangabat under a special program of the government. He appealed to people to extend cooperation in attracting many tourists in the state. Many MLAs attended the event. 2 teams competed in the boat race.
भारत संविधान की मतुंगिना इलेक्शन दौरकांदा वोट काबा मीसिंग दुननेबा पुल्लगा सरकार सेमिसे वोट पोबन सेमदबने वोट पुकार का प्रजाना यारगा थागत पुसिंग दुनेबा सरकार सेमिसे अदो सरकार प्रजाना याददने लेहुरबसिंग दुनों पुंसलकांदा सरकार जे थबक तहनदनबो होनये खोइदि उजि स्ट्राइक बनसि तौबसि प्रजा से थोलक्तरबनि जि प्रजा थोलक्तना मी पुनु मफम अखै कैथेल गुमदा पुलप संसलगा हौरा हौरगा अदगी स्कूल तमम गुमदा चा हौरा हौरा तौले मी थोकराबा मरने मी भात तारे बोजि लेबा काइने हेने कनानो लेबा थुगाइदो देख तौनो सिंग सिने हा लेबा थुगाइने कनानो द थोलो बाउजे कनानो अखोइ माना कना लेपगा थुगाइ ngam gi yangsi खमे खोइ मैम लेरि मदुगी स्पिरिचुअल लेबिसिंग नेबा अखोइसु.
On the other hand, residents of Wangkai Thangapat have agitated against holding of Hiang Tanaba event and Manipur Sangai Festival 2019. Members of Wangkai Puja Lampak Women's Welfare Organization, Mera Paibi, Chaukhat Khongthang Nupilop, YBO Club and Paradise Club staged protest demonstration at Wangkai Puja Lampak today.
Naga Pistok CB Sigi matang the autonomous Naga Council kaina huji Torkani han haiban nungnang basima pokpodagi akoina masi mayam sigi ihosi akoi ki kholausi laujabani laujeringai marak saisa Thangapat saisa akoi ki hiang hiren tana salakpa adagi akoi ki matam sangdorakpa si akoi pamjade hena yaningdaba mifam akoi pamjai.
Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 Manpak announced that a team of 9 people led by Manpak convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar will meet with Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on Citizenship Amendment Bill tomorrow. Speaking to media at Amuko office in Kwakaithel today, Manpak convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar said that Manpak is ready to convey the demands of the people of the state following a formal invitation to meet with the Home Minister. Dilip Kumar asserted that the Manpak team will take blessings from the mothers of Khairamban market before leaving for Delhi. He appealed to every households and local clubs to light candles and pray for positive outcome for tomorrow's talk scheduled at 10:30 p.m. Manpak Core Committee member Mohammad Khairuddin Shah Moizing Mayum also appealed to Muslim Brethren to pray for the positive result of the mess.
Ngarang magti confirm tawde adubu ngarang numidangda habet harkani haibagi pawma phangmadagi ayukta akoida invitation oina lae hairiba invitation si hayengi tang ahumgi numidangi pung 10 makhaida home ministry ga unabagi wafam asi thambirae aduna Manpak ki maikeidagi akoi mioi mapan na sabat timmama chatkani hanna union home ministry na akoigi importance si khangbi dabra natragana kariguma makhalgi wakhalama leiramagashu makoina amu realize toroktana hauji invite torokpasi adum taramna boi Manpak na kaidongwendesu miyamgi apambado tunghoina jaroi Manipur government ga amasung India government ga akoina wari sanarpa matamdasu any sort of compromise ma tawba gi wafamda hauji phawgi oina di leitri hairiba akoigi oiba one line demand di no to share bi haveni.
Organizations working for the welfare of persons living with HIV/AIDS like MNP Plus, Care Foundation, SASO, Kripa Society and CONE have appealed to make antiretroviral therapy ART medicines available in stock. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, spokesperson of the five organizations, L. Dilip Kumar, said that as per 2001 census, 31,549 people in Manipur are reportedly HIV positive, but only 13,075 persons living with HIV are getting ART medicines. He expressed disappointment at the government's failure to follow the guidelines of NACO to keep more than 6 months stock of ART medicines. He appealed to the government to ensure that the state is able to contribute in eliminating HIV/AIDS from the earth by 2030.
The epidemic is new to them. Some say high already. Adu akoidadi siba nabagi khongjungda leibanina ngasai pose machutana kitang sala lingba ngasai mi lising kun ama chadribido maju kamaina thidokadino haibigi problem ama yat kadabani ani subuda chawa hograba kangu singse virally depressed aunabagi damakta akoi chang naina pizaba madraka oi akoi gi manipur khiliba city folk council emergency yam all oiri around 2004-5 adai lady say aduna hausi 2019 yore ado sigi maintenance na karama mawongda leiribino engineer leite.
Closing ceremony of the 10th Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 organized by the Tourism Department, Government of Manipur was held at Bagachandra Open Air Theatre at Hapta Kangjibung this evening. Gracing the event as the chief guest, Governor Dr. Najma Haptala stated that the Sangai Festival spreading over 9 days this year provided an opportunity to showcase various aspects of our traditions and culture, besides promoting our handloom and handicraft products, and gave a strong platform for local artists to showcase their talent. She appreciated the state government and the Department of Tourism for making efforts to make Manipur a tourist destination to boost the state's economy. She appealed to the authorities concerned, people of Manipur, especially civil society organizations, to extend their fullest cooperation to increase the number of visitors and sale during the festival and to make the festival a grand success rather than avoiding it. Chief Minister Nongthong Birain, ministers, MLAs, top civil and police officials attended the closing ceremony.
I am told that this year the number of visitors and the sale during the festival is lower as compared to the previous year. This is despite better publicity and creating more festive mood at the venue. The concerned agencies should look into this and ascertain that the reason and come up with appropriate response so that the next year such issues are readdressed. I am happy that due to the public demand of the people, it has been extended, the festival extended 2 more days.
Fightings and a misunderstanding is always everywhere, even in a small family, even my family, anybody's families. But we did not show it to the publicly. What I want to say, what I want to appeal to the people of the state, problem is everywhere. But when a visitor comes, when an outsider comes, we should keep it aside. Akoi uloi da ne hebni da. Akoi kanari balai nari ulse. Nakan na thamakan da akoi afa bodo ulaga nooga akoi bu receipt to koisa. Akoi culture hoine la. The humans akoi habit, akoi nature ne. Madu wat da hon da way.
Nurses of Jenims Hospital are on cease work strike, urging the authorities concerned to fulfill their various demands. Protesters cease work and stage a sit-in at the hospital campus today. Their demands included enhanced grade pay, uniform and nursing allowances, and revised pension scheme. Speaking to media, Joint Secretary of Nurses Association, Tenai Jenims Unit, PH Janapriya, stated that they have been urging the government to fulfill their demands since 2010. She expressed great disappointment at the government's failure to put into actions its assurance given to fulfill their demands.
rectification of grade gi order thokpa aduga ngasai cabinet pass tawdana lairiba all pension scheme MSCP adagi nursing allowance uniform allowance singina cabinet pass tawba required oiraga lairi masi kaino sisu cabinet yam thuna pass tawthokpidana rectification of grade pay sisu akhoi satisfied level da tawdana pangthokpiraga cabinet pass tawraga akhoi da order issue tawbiyu haibani akhoi na haijeri basi adubu government side tagi akhoi da second table to ama kaubirakani na haibi hi adubu kaubirakte huji akhoi nupi ngakana namba profession nina akhoi si yamna matu sonba dawna tawre akhoi bu second table talk su kaubirakte masidaida akhoi gi apambagi kaino da order se thopiraktragadi mayam da akhoi hangni mayam yabra yadabra na mayam na yare akhoi hanjangani mayam na yadre akhoi adum makha chathadana tawjagani.
In compliance of the order of the High Court of Manipur and the Supreme Court, the government of Manipur has terminated the service of those candidates recruited as MCS, MPS, MSS through Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination 2016 conducted by MPSC. Now it's time for a small commercial break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. State Education S Department and Samagra Siksha Manipur jointly organized training-cum-orientation program on precautions to be taken during natural and man-made disasters today. Students and teachers from 52 schools of Imphal East attended the program held at Lamlong Higher Secondary School. Representatives of Manipur Fire Services and Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, demonstrated various precautionary measures against natural and man-made disasters at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam asserted that the program will be of great help to the teachers and students in times of disasters. He appealed to teachers to teach their students with emphasis on practical usage rather than mere scoring of good marks.
How can we make classroom transactions interesting? For example, plants, trees, animals, insects, this is called trunk, the branch, leaves, petal, sepal. Reinforce our economy. To live a meaningful life, prepare that is called education.
District AIDS Prevention and Control Committee, Imphal West, organized World AIDS Day program on the theme Communities Make the Difference at TG Higher Secondary School today. DC Imphal West and Pravin, Principal of TG Higher Secondary School, A. Sangita, CMO Imphal West, Dr. H. Kula and others attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. DC and Pravin appealed to everyone to take active roles in eliminating AIDS from Manipur by 2030. Primary Health Center Moray under the Family Welfare Department kicked off 7-day immunization drive as part of the month-long intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 at Moray Muslim Lekai today. Polio vaccines were administered to 42 children under 2 years on the occasion. Speaking to media, MO in charge of Primary Health Center Moray, KH Santikumar, said that the immunization program aims to eradicate polio and related illness. Manipur-based rock band Innocent Eyes has bagged the Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 title and will be representing Manipur by performing in the Northeast Battle of the Bands 2019. Manipur will host the event at Bhagachandra Open Air Theatre, Boat on December 18. Manipur State AIDS Control Society, MEGS, organized the grand finale of Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 on the theme Music Against AIDS at Manipur Rifles Ground yesterday. Innocent Eyes bagged the winner title in the Battle of Bands, participated by 6 rock bands from different districts of Manipur. A group called Hingmin Nasiai Khoi today extended financial help to destitute and bedridden renowned Manipuri Ipom artist Laishram Kunjaraj from Changangai Makhalekai in Imphal West. Members of the group gave financial help of 5,000 rupees to Kunjaraj and assured to provide a monthly pension of 1,000 rupees until his death. They also visited differently abled and destitute Soibam Jitain from Malom Awang Lekai and differently abled Iringbam Ibethoi from Wangkai Tokpram Lekai and assured them of necessary financial assistance. Manipur State Women Commission has appealed to local clubs and Mera Paibis not to cover up illicit acts happening in their localities but to take measures to counsel the miscreants. Representatives of various women organizations attended a press meet held at Commissioner of Manipur State Women Commission Dr. M. Binota's residence in Singjamei, Chingamakong today. They condemned that people in the state, especially those who are married and settled, have failed to follow the societal norms and moral standards passed on by their forefathers. Speaking to media, Dr. M. Binota stated that Manipur State Women Commission has received many complaints about young men being duped by married women.
lamchat molakpa nupi sing se akhoi makoi bu hundok pa yade makoi bu akoi semjan modify tawbiba correction tawba akhoi gi ithone akhoi na correction tawna na bu hona jarak pada amadi makoi bu afaba lambi ma purak na bu hona ba matam sida akhoi gi laikai gi mara paibi club singna amot padu bu tawraiba ain gi thungda chatha jaraiba thabak khudimak amadi niti niyom naina lakjariba sarkar gi oiba anouba pandam seisida masibu lana honna bagi hona birakpa asuki matik nungai jade masi tawdana ba yamna mingsat laina Manipur da tholakiba maira paibini masibu aran ba mongda sijan nabidana lamchat mosalakpa nupi singbu correction tawbiba makoibu losan bidana makoibu achumba lambi amada lakna na ba hona hanbada maira paibi singi club singi thodang yabiu
nupi singna chaliba lamchat nupa singna chaliba lamchat nupi na nupa bu kashoidana khalakpa nupa na nupi bu kashoidana khalakpa se matung mana amo hana aikoina omor oidana legadaba nate matang kharagi taibang lila sanaba lakpani haiba wakalon si khalaga ahalla man gi thaksi raksi aina tambira Tainagi ipai puna tambira po wakalondo among anan hauna na wakana singhalaga madugi potuda aikoi satminnabado pami.
Attending the press meet, presidents of Poirai Laimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur, All Manipur Tami Chingmi Apunba Nupi Lup, Nupi Samas and All Manipur Students Garden Association criticized those married men and women who defy the sanctity of the sacred marital life. Nupi Samaj President T.H. Ramani stressed the need for everyone to inculcate good moral standards. While President of All Manipur Student Garden Association S. Sumati appealed to parents to take special care of their children to avoid any untoward incidents. She also drew the attention of the government to take legal actions against those who violate societal laws.
Nupa sing na jo khoi gi nupi sing gi ijat kan biu nupi na sing masai gi ijat kalu mina mi bu warak mangam de masana hai phatia de khangu nupi amada kayam kanna ijat tawrong gen hai bon I hal han bada hai bachale ba adada sakhang makhang na bai na mukjali adagi amu yathang dha bai na mu pui adagi waroi pol ai na mu pui adagi hai gi pol ai na mu pui adagi luhong ba ga manga lak ta luhong ya ba adu ipai ma na pinara mi adu gi jan ngak chan ya ba
Saka na mot padagi parja mot le hai ba chiyai aduga hojik thing jar ga di restaurant asai niyo magi makhada la heningi maulai sabi pakang angang macha in kelai se restaurant se da loina ba kan tawe phajaba mafam yenga loktak pata ju phajaba restaurant phajaba sem ya open noi ba da pam aduna ta ba jikangi akhar chakaraga phamung thaba restaurant sa masi thingjan ba pami ma koina
lebak sigi mapi mapa ne na leirakanda ngasi samaj sidai sida aini mathakta kanasu leite habise kautho akanda ain bulana sijitaraga samaj sigi leiribam chatnabi sibu singnara kanda thola iba thodo wa thok chinga se masi sakti paiba oiraga su ai legally masi an gi thongda no commission na oiraga su masi sapchaba action lahonningi matungda amo hanna thoktana bagi damakta aduga leijadaba kanagumba mi amadana an gi sapchaba action lawba aduga sakti paire hairaga na an sibu hekta namdharaga an chatnadaba leba amagumna namjanba se masi gi thawong singje tobiganu.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council has selected new office bearers for its management committee today. The council now has altogether 76 members, including the former 35 members and newly inducted 41 members. Speaking to media at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sangland in Palace Compound today, President of the Council, M. Purnimashi Laima, assured of taking measures to provide pension for Sumang Lila artists above 60 years of age and to promote the Sumang Lila art form.
President gi hamda wangang jariba M Purnimasi Laima samangna President wajare aduga Senior Vice President oina L Tomba Singh adagi Jiten Kumar Naurem aduma Muktabali Laima haibasna Vice President ahum se hapjare aduga General Secretary da koi Y Nilasandra aduga Joint Secretary da L Susila aduga Tawai Sumita masima koi Joint Secretary da hapsare Treasurer na koi hanasu dum weramba L Premila Laimada Treasurer dum hape Deni Lingma Bamsina koi Assistant Secretary Program L Boyna Assistant Secretary koi Publicity sima hapsare.
State government has assured that the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India will kick off Imphal-Mandalay direct flight service within 2 months. According to Impact News sources, Civil Aviation Ministry will take up works for connecting Imphal-Mandalay sector by flight service under International Uran Scheme. Bidding process for airlines to connect the sectors will be completed in 2 months. MLA Asabuddin inaugurated the CD block of Borobekra subdivision in Ziribam district today. Public Works Department, Government of Manipur and Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj constructed the administration CD block. Ziribam DC and people of the area attended the inaugural event. A Manipuri drama book titled Kwa Yonbi, written by Samurai Lightpam Sakhenbi Sharma, was released at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple today. Pandit Sanglakpa of Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Board, B. Rajendra Sharma, top officials of the temple board, along with the author himself, released the book. It may be mentioned that Sakhenbi Sharma has earlier released a poetry book titled Saireng Nachom. Kuki Thado Dialect monthly bilingual magazine Zingvalpa held its 18th anniversary at Good Shepherd English School campus in Kangpokpi headquarters today. TL Kongsai was awarded Zingvalpa Music Visual Award. Kuki Kanglai Lopi KKL Jingvalpa Philanthropic Award. As Molnom Village bagged the Jingvalpa Best Model Village Award, while Onzamang Haukip and KB Chongloi bagged Jingvalpa Journalist Award. Chairman of Kangpokpi Town Committee Lungsen Kipgen, Jingvalpa editor Robert Hekai Kipgen, church leader and many people attended the event. Chairman of Kangpokpi Town Committee unveiled the commemoration plaque for the 18th anniversary of Jingvalpa magazine. Speaking on the occasion, Jingvalpa editor Robert Hikai Kipgen said that there were no magazines published in Kuki Thado dialect before the release of Jingvalpa magazine on December 2, 2001. Robert added that a group of people, including himself, started publishing the Jingvalpa magazine, a Kuki Thado and English bilingual monthly magazine, to raise awareness on various societal issues.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯜꯂꯒꯀꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯒꯥꯖꯤꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯣꯠꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯀꯔꯞꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯀꯗꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯗꯃꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯅꯦ.
Manipur Peace and Integrity MAPI Council in a press release notified that the council held one-day beekeeping training program at Haikak Pokpi village in Tengnopal district on December 1. ADC member E.M. A. Rang inaugurated a standard playground at Sangkumai village in Senapati district today. ADC member Rangpung Jon, SDO Willong, SDO Chillavai Bhaibung, MKS, SDSA Willong, leaders of Maram, people of the area and church leaders attended the inaugural event. Songs and dance performances by students marked the occasion. 182 Battalion BSF Korengai, under the aegis of their commandant Nitin Gupta, organized a friendly football match on the occasion of the 55th Racing Day of BSF at Korengai Football Ground under Haingang Police Station in Imphal East today. In the match, Korengai Youth Football Association KYFA defeated BSF team 4-1. Sports items were presented to KYFA members after the match. Republic Party of India RPI Manipur State Office felicitated Kangabam Roji, who bagged gold medal in the 46th Junior Female of India Open International Taekwondo Championship at the party office in Kaisampat today. The championship was held at the Talkotora Indoor Stadium in New Delhi on December 9 and 10. President of RPI Manipur State presented gifts to Rosie on the occasion.
Yam nungaizaba yam proud moment amo oy tasena akoi gi damakta di haitare maramdi kai gino habi matam tasena husi youth haurik liba kaina hamat amana sumaina koi goal ga loroktana koi ke samthong constituency ogena tasena ke samthong constituency di tasena koi gi di imung manung ni ada imung amada gi sumaina koina goal ga lorok pase tasena koi gi yam chauthok saba proudly yamna koi fauzei aduna tasena yamna hena hodaninge asidagi su goal matang international da su lorok ngamo oishano.
Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Home Ministry formally invites state government, MANPAC and all political party to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on issues prevailing in the state. Nine-member MANPAC team gears up to meet Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on Citizenship Amendment Bill in New Delhi tomorrow. Organizations working for welfare of persons living with HIV/AIDS in Manipur say frequent shortage of antiretroviral therapy ART medicines escalates HIV infection. And 10th Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 concludes successfully with gala closing ceremony at Bhagachandra Open Air Theatre, Hapta, Kangjelung.